Alright, so next we are going to talk about what are the units of inductance. Okay, so from the equation it is very clear that the unit of inductance are Weber ampere meter raised to -1 and voltage second ampere raised to -1. These are the units of what inductance. But there is one important unit, that is the SI unit, that is Henry. We use Henry as a unit. Okay, just like we use ohm and farad. So in for capacitance and resistors. Okay, so Henry is a unit of what? Inductance. Okay, so H, capital H. So ml square T raised to -2, A raised to -2. That is the dimensional formula. You can keep in your mind that we can use it in many places. Okay, like in NEET exam there will be question like that. Alright, so 1 Henry is equal to 1 Weber ampere raised to -1 or 1 voltage ampere raised to -1. Voltage second ampere raised to -1. Don't forget about that. Okay, so also look at this. Look at this. We know that N phi B is equal to Li. Okay, so from this equation, if I is equal to 1 ampere and phi B is equal to N phi B is equal to 1 Weber turns, and N actually number of turns. So it's not a unit particularly, but we say number of turns, right? Yeah. So turns, then L is equal to 1 Henry. So what is inductance? Inductance is equal to 1 Henry when we say that 1 Henry when the current passing through is equal to 1 ampere and the 1 ampere current which makes a flux change of 1 Weber turns. Inductance L is equal to 1 Henry when the current passes through, that is 1 ampere, which makes a change of flux of 1 Weber turns. Okay, so that is the first one. And also we have the equation L into di divided by dt, that is equal to E minus E, or L is equal to minus E di divided by dt. Okay, so again you apply the values. Di by dt is equal to 1 ampere second raised to -1, and then E is equal to -1 volt. What is this -1 volt? Opposing voltage, opposing EMF. The induced EMF which is opposing. Okay, that is what is -1 volt means. Minus sign means. So L is equal to 1 Henry. What is L is equal to 1 Henry? When di by dt, when the rate of flow of current is 1 ampere per second and the induced EMF, that is the opposing induced EMF, is equal to 1 volt. Okay, think about it. What does that mean? Opposing induced EMF. Okay, so these are the units, and this is how we represent the units of inductance, and this is how we define the unit of inductance, 1 Henry. Okay, so there will be a question in board exam as well. So what is the unit of what is 1 Henry? How do you define 1 Henry? Okay, think about it, and only you just understand what is exactly this one, and especially you don't get you shouldn't miss this word, opposing EMF. Okay, thank you.